A lot of investors come to me and ask, is it a good idea to invest in real estate inside of a self-directed IRA? And the answer is, it really depends on what your goals are. One of the biggest benefits to investing in real estate inside of a self-directed IRA, as with many IRA accounts, a lot of the capital gains, the dividends, the interest, or in rental real estate case, the rental income received is actually not taxable. Of course, whenever you retire, whenever you reach retirement age, you do need to withdraw those funds, and the funds are going to be taxed as ordinary income. One of the biggest cons to investing in real estate inside of a self-directed IRA, with real estate, all of the big tax incentives, things like depreciation and cost segregation, 1031 exchanges, those things are no longer applicable to rental properties inside of a self-directed IRA. Nothing that happens inside of an IRA is taxable anyway. You need to make sure that you have enough funds inside of your IRA to fund any type of repairs or maintenance that may happen onto the property, because as with any IRA account, you can only contribute up to a certain amount each year. For 2023, it is $6,500. But if you have a repair that's $10,000 and you can only put $6,500 in there, unless you have enough capital to pay for that expense already inside of the IRA, you could be looking at a very serious situation. If you are expecting to get a lot of appreciation on your property, put that property inside of an IRA and get that appreciation in a tax-deferred manner.